Friends, welcome to the channel. Food is God gift. Today we're going to see how to make banana blossom filter. This banana blossom filter is simply delicious and high in the nutrition value. To make it, you need a half cup soaked chana dal, 1 cup chopped onion. The red onion or small onion is going to be delicious. Few garlics, ginger, fennel seed about 1 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder, 2 dry chilies, it depends how much spices you want, 1 green chili chopped, salt, coriander leaf chopped, about 1 cup chopped banana blossom soaked with the buttermilk. So friend, let's see how to clean banana flower. So I got this banana flower from farmers market. To make sure your banana blossom is fresh and good condition, make sure to press it down the banana blossom. It should be firm and hard and look nice and do not have a discoloration of black or any different color. So just make sure it look fresh and the smell, and it should be nice and firm. I'm just pluck off all that the petals and try to take all that florets from the flower itself. So we're going to keep repeating until we find the softest petals in the end. So we keep pluck off all the petals and we find that nice. This is the stage that we have that the final petals. So friend, let's see, this is floret, claxy and pistil. Claxy and pistil, we need to remove it. That's really giving the bitterness to dishes. And how to remove it? Just feel it. This pointy one is a pistil and the translucent is a claxy. So we're going to remove it and clean it all together. So once you clean, I'm going to show you how to chop the banana floret to the fine pieces. So now we can chop fine as we can, because I'm not going to put in the food processor or going to make a fine paste. Instead I'm going to chop fine as I can, so we can have a nice chunk of pieces of a banana floret in our vada. So now it's ready. So remaining the floret, I'm going to chop to the fine pieces. So we're going to keep chopping to the we have nice fine pieces through the knife. So friends, this is the method. So make sure you apply oil on your hand to avoid that stain. Now in the bowl, I'm just adding about half cup water, 1/4 cup of the buttermilk. This is the traditional way to soak the banana floret. So the prevention is avoiding the bitterness. This need to be soaked about 2 hours. You always can do earlier or soak overnight, and you can fry vada in the morning. So let it soak. So today I just soak about 2 hours. After 2 hours, I'm squeezing all that buttermilk and water, and I just get that floret. So this is also prevention from changing color. And you can add the 1 teaspoon vinegar with the 1 cup water to prevent the bitterness and then changing color. You also can give a try if you don't have that buttermilk in hand. So now it's ready. It's about 1 cup chopped banana floret that we soaked earlier with the buttermilk. In the mixie or grinder, I'm going to add that ginger, garlic and chili, dry chilies. So we're going to break it and I'm going to add a cinnamon powder, fennel seed and salt and give a mix. And now I'm adding the soaked chana dal. So we're going to have the nice kosher texture. You don't need to have the fine paste kinda. Kosher texture is enough. And now I'm adding the banana floret. So I'm adding the coriander leaf, green chilies, red onion or small onion, finely chopped, and I'm going to give a nice mix. So use your hand and keep giving nice squeeze and give the mix together. When you give the tight mix together, all the flavor going to be combined together until you form nice dough consistent, and you can make the perfect shape vada. So now it's ready. So in the wok I just heat the oil. So today I'm using the sunflower oil. Once the oil hot, we can drop this vada that we shape it in the hot oil. So let it cook one side about 2 minutes, then only you can turn to other side. So now you can turn to other side. It should be take about 7 to 8 minutes to complete cook both of side, or make sure it's floating on the top of oil. Now you can see the vada all the floating on the top of oil, or it's going to change to nice golden brown. Now it's ready, friends. All fully cooked, so crispy and light. You can see the all vada is floating on the top of oil. Friends, you also can make with oil free method by using air fryer. So just preheat the air fryer for 360 Fahrenheit. We notice the temperature is low because we need to cook all the raw dal, and we just drop this vada by applying few drops oil. Now the crispy banana flavored vada is ready. This Vazhaipoo Vada is such a famous in South India and simply delicacy and high in beneficial. So we never miss the taste. Is really delicious. It's really like a meaty flavor, but it's totally vegan and vegetarian. So friends, I also made the few vada with the air fryer. So please check the description below how to fry this vada using air fryer method. It's really informative and interesting. So friend, let's give a try. It's so delicious. It's so crispy and so soft and delicious. I hope you enjoy this recipe from our kitchen to your home. Thank you.